Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're taking a close look at a dental tool that might just change your oral hygiene routine, especially if you're struggling with reaching those tricky spots between your teeth. If you've ever found flossing a bit too tricky or felt like your regular toothbrush just wasn't cutting it when it comes to plaque removal, this might be the solution you've been searching for. Before we dive into all the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any future reviews like this one. Now, let's talk about the Reach Interdental Brush Extra Tight 0.7mm and Wide 1.3mm bundle. This product is designed to offer a more effective way to remove plaque from between your teeth, and it promises to do so with a few clever features. These interdental brushes are angled in a way that mimics the precision of professional dental tools, providing up to 75% more coverage and removing 1.5 times more plaque than traditional brushes. Plus, the specially coated wires are designed to protect your gums, so no need to worry about damaging your sensitive gum tissue while you clean. The brush handles themselves are ribbed and ergonomically designed for an improved grip, making them easier to maneuver, even when your hands are wet. And to help keep everything hygienic, each brush comes with a cap, which is a nice touch for keeping your bathroom counter organized and your tools clean. I've had a chance to try these brushes out in my own routine, and I can say they definitely make a difference. Using these interdental brushes was straightforward and comfortable. I love how the 14-degree angle of the brush makes it easier to reach the tight spots between my teeth, places I would normally miss with just a regular toothbrush. It really does feel like I'm getting a deeper clean without the strain of trying to contort my jaw to get to those hard-to-reach areas. Of course, no product is without its pros and cons. On the plus side, the ergonomic handles are a game changer. They make the brushing motion feel natural and less strenuous, which is especially important when you're doing this multiple times a day. The caps for hygiene are another win, keeping the brushes clean between uses. However, one thing I noticed is that the extra tight 0.7mm brush might be a bit too narrow for those who have larger gaps between their teeth. So it might take a bit more time to get the same level of plaque removal as you would with the wider brush. As for the price, these brushes are definitely a bit more expensive than traditional floss picks or regular toothbrushes. However, considering they remove up to 30% more plaque and are designed to protect your gums while cleaning hard-to-reach areas, I think the value is there, especially if you're looking for a more thorough clean. In terms of comparisons, there are plenty of interdental brushes on the market, but few offer the same combination of ergonomic design, gum protection, and angled brush head that Reach provides. If you're using something like regular floss or even a manual brush, this is a step up in terms of precision and plaque removal. The wide and extra tight sizes also give you a level of customization that I haven't seen with other brands. When it comes to build quality, the materials feel sturdy and reliable. The ergonomic handles are a great addition, and I like that the brush heads seem durable enough for consistent daily use. Plus, the fact that the wires are specially coated is an added bonus, giving you peace of mind knowing that your gums are being taken care of. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I didn't have direct interaction with Reach's team, but from what I've gathered, the brand is known for good customer service, and I haven't heard of many complaints regarding their products. For alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget, you might want to consider brands like TP or Gum, which offer similar products at a slightly lower price point. They might not offer the same coating and ergonomic handles, but they still do the job when it comes to cleaning between your teeth. So, is the Reach Interdental Brush Extra Tight 0.7mm and Wide 1.3mm bundle worth it? If you're someone who values a deep, thorough clean and has had difficulty using regular floss or traditional toothbrushes, then yes, these brushes are an excellent choice. They're especially great for those who need extra protection for their gums and want to remove more plaque without the discomfort of more abrasive tools. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.